What would you do if a fire broke out in your kitchen right now? Most of us freeze, fumble, panic. But what if I told you there's a product so simple, so effective, it can stop dangerous flames in seconds with zero mess, no chemicals, and no experience needed? Today we're reviewing the Cobra Fire Blanket, a product trusted by over 313,000 families, and even recommended by professional firefighters. Is it really as powerful as they say? Let's find out.
What is Cobra Fire Blanket?
The Cobra Fire Blanket is a compact military-grade fiberglass blanket designed to instantly suffocate fires, kitchen, grease, clothing, electrical, and more. Unlike traditional fire extinguishers that spray chemicals and create a mess, this is a mess-free, non-toxic, and easy-to-use solution anyone can deploy, even kids and seniors. It's designed with emergencies in mind. Just pull the tabs, cover the flame, and breathe easy. No panic, no guesswork. How does Cobra Fire Blanket work? The science is simple but brilliant. Fires need oxygen. The Cobra Fire Blanket is made of 430 GSM thick fiberglass that withstands up to 176 to 580 dark Celsius. When you throw it over a fire, it instantly cuts off the oxygen supply, smothering the flames. This technique is so effective, it's what firefighters themselves use. The key difference? You don't need training or strength. The Cobra Fire Blanket is designed for real-world emergencies with shaky hands, racing hearts, and high stress. That's where it shines. Features and benefits of Cobra Fire Blanket. Military-grade fiberglass, 100% fiberglass. Heat-resistant, up to 776 Buffet. Thick and durable. Easy to use, pull the tabs, throw it over the fire, done. Anyone can do it in under 5 seconds. Zero mess, zero chemicals. Unlike fire extinguishers, there's no residue to clean, safe for furniture, electronics, and air quality. Never expires, no maintenance, no inspections, always ready. Compact and portable. Keep one in your kitchen, bedroom, car, RV, dorm, anywhere fire risk exists. Eco-friendly and non-toxic, safe for use around kids, pets, and food. Firefighter recommended. Many fire professionals keep Cobra Fire Blankets in their own homes. And here's a real kicker, Cobra works on all common household fire types, including grease fires, electrical fires, paper and wood fires, fabric fires. How to use Cobra Fire Blanket. You don't need instructions in an emergency, but Cobra keeps it simple. Grab the pouch stored anywhere within reach. Pull the red tabs, the blanket slides right out. Cover the flames, lay it flat over the fire. Wait and breathe, fire is smothered in seconds. That's it. No batteries, no pressure, no guesswork. It's designed for anyone from an 8-year-old child to a 75-year-old grandma. Cobra Fire Blanket, pros and cons. Pros, incredibly easy to use, no training required. Works on all major fire types. Safe, non-toxic, chemical-free. Never expires, long-term value. Compact and travel-friendly. Trusted by firefighters. Real-life stories of homes saved. Cons. Only effective if within reach during a fire. Not reusable after heavy use, though some users reuse once. Doesn't replace all fire tools like alarms or full extinguishers. Still, for the cost and convenience, it's one of the most practical fire safety tools available today. Price and where to buy Cobra Fire Blanket. Cobra Fire Blanket is available online with some great bundle deals. 1 blanket, $29.99. Retail, 3 blankets, $59.98 tab. 5 blankets, $89.97. Buy 3, get 2 free. 10 blankets, $149.95. Buy 5, get 5 free. All options include free shipping and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can buy directly from the official site, recommended for authenticity, and right now they're offering up to 53% off while supplies last. Conclusion of Cobra Fire Blanket. Fire doesn't wait, and neither should your preparation. The Cobra Fire Blanket isn't just another safety gadget, it's a real-life lifesaver tested by families and backed by professionals. If you're looking for a fast, safe, clean, and affordable way to protect your loved ones, this is it. No mess, no chemicals, no panic, just pull, cover, and breathe. Whether you live in a home, apartment, RV, or dorm, having a Cobra Fire Blanket nearby could be the difference between disaster and peace of mind. Thanks for watching this review. Stay safe, stay prepared,